Alright. What's wrong with you two?
Snow, 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 snow.
What are you talking about? It's heavy rain.
Snow, 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 snow.
Guys, this is what happens in the winter. It gets really heavy. It's not snow. It's rain that turned white.
Snow,
Yeah, no. This is global warming. Global warming means that rain turns white. This is what we have to...
Snow.
Yeah, no. This is what we have to stop. We have to stop this. This is global warming. We can't have white rain. You understand? We have to go stop the white rain.
Well, let's run out there and stop it in our snow boots.
You ready to go stop the white rain?
Mm-hmm.
What about you, dude?
Snow.
Yeah.
Snowman? I don't think there's enough for a snowman.
No, not today.
Boots.
You need to get your clothes on, and we need to figure out what we're wearing for the party. It's a jumpy party, so we need to wear some nice, comfortable clothing.
Yeah, like a dress or something.
Where are you going? You're going to a what? Where are you going?
Party.
You're going to a party? That doesn't seem okay. Why are there songs like that coming out of your box over there?
Because I didn't like...
What?
I know. I'm breaking my own rule.
Oh, you're a terrible person.
I'm a terrible person. I'm a hypocrite.
What does that mean? What does that mean? Hey, what does that mean? I don't know what
It
that
was the
means.
snow that did it. The snow made me a hypocrite.
Bad.
Snowman made the snow. Snowman.
Nathan.
Snowman
I'm not
made
holding
the
a banana
rain
in my
white.
mouth for nothing. Come here.
Snowman made the rain white.
So what are we doing here?
Putting scarves on to go out in the snow.
In the snow?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Okay. We're gonna go out in the snow?
Uh-huh.
Why are we going out in the snow?
So we can play.
It's not so we can walk bags.
Baggins.
We can walk Baggins too.
Oh.
Mama, look at I put my own scarf on. Wanna see? Down.
I gotta test the white rain, okay? Hey, ah! You get burned. You're gonna get burned. Let me go test. Let me go test the white rain. It's slippy.
I ate some snow.
What about you, dude?
You not eat snow. Nom, nom. I ate it.
You ate it.
It's good.
The dog does not look happy about going in the snow. Come on, snow dog.
You're gonna be our.
It's your favorite time of year, dog.
You're gonna be our snow deer.
Where you run around like a maniac because it's snow. It's super snowy. It's super snowy. You went over this way. It is super snowy out here. Super snow.
Let's go jump in the ice puddle.
No, that's icky.
That's not icky. That's good.
You're not gonna eat the snow?
No.
Dudes, you gonna eat the snow? Nice throw, Mom. That wasn't very good.
It's on par with all my other
Why are you pushing? Don't push snow onto me.
I let go of the dream of being a good throw long ago.
Yeah, well.
Mama, guess what? I ate snow.
Oh, was it yummy?
Yeah.
Good. Nice fresh snow out of the sky. Nothing better.
I'm catching some snow
Hey, show me. Dude. 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 Are you catching snow? I got snow in my glasses.
I'll go mine. Wanna you see how I eat snow?
Hey, no, don't throw snow at me. Ow! Don't throw. Hey, no more snow throwing at Daddy. Ah, no more snow at Daddy. Ah!
Grandma's car.
No more snow. No more snow. Oh, oh, oh.
Does that hurt?
No, he got it in my shirt.
Poor Dad.
Poor Dad.
You're
All right, Mr. Dude. What are we doing?
Not no.
Not no. We're sitting here waiting for who? Where's Mama and Bubba?
Till preschool.
No. Your sister and your mom went to
Till
a birthday party
birthday party.
at a big bouncy house.
Yeah.
Yeah, and what are we doing?
Watching Spider-Man.
We did watch some Spider-Man. But what else are we doing? Are we playing?
Miss Bright.
We played Connects.
Yeah.
Is there cars over there on the windshield, on the windowsill
Yeah.
that you built?
Yeah.
We're just hanging out watching the snow fall.
Yeah.
See the snow out there?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see in the snowfall. So, first snow day. Woohoo! What do you think of the snow day? So, we're sitting here watching the snow come down. It's the first snow of the year. Snowmageddon, as the Seattle News calls it, because they're lame and they don't know what snow is. So, me and the dude. What are you doing, dude?
Goblin.
What? What?
Goblin. Goblin.
What?
Goblin.
Goblin. Goblin?
Yeah.
Are you a goblin?
No, you goblin.
No, you're a goblin.
Me not goblin.
Me not goblin.
Which goblin?
You goblin.
Me not goblin.
You a goblin.
Me not goblin.
Groblin.
Robin.
Grobbin.
Robin.
What's a grobbin?
Robin.
Robin, like in Batman?
No, Batman, not Robin, no.
You Robin, me Batman.
No, me Batman and me Hulk.
And Hulk? You a Batman Hulk?
Yeah.
Yeah. He likes the Batman and he likes the Hulk a lot. Right?
Yeah.
Yes. He likes the Hulk. What's Hulk say?
Ha!
Hulk!
Yeah.
Yeah, we like the Hulk and the Batman we watch a lot. Yeah. Do you want Hulk for Christmas?
Yeah.
And Batman for Christmas?
Yeah.
You want,
And me what? Guitar and airplane.
he wants a guitar and an airplane. Hey, what's that thing behind you? That's the chicken. That's the, is that, what is that?
Chicken dinner.
It's a turkey.
Turkey.
It's the turkey.
Turkey. Every me sing.
Ow! Watch your word. Hey, give me that. Ah. What'd you get? You got a balloon?
Yeah, and there's some candy.
And some candy? Look out, it's a death trap.
It's a ping pong. It looks pretty.
Hey, let's get everything put back in the bag, okay?
Yeah, I'm going to test out my...
Look at all that stuff from home.
That's a lot of stuff.
I gave you lots in your Halloween, your birthday sack of goodness. I'll show you, bud. Here. See this? Give me this. See, this is a thing. You gotta take out this little thing here.
I can take it out.
You can take that one out?
I think so.
It's been a long time. It's sad, isn't it?
What are you doing? You're trying to do the paddle?
Yes, I'm trying to do
I'm not very good at that.
Daddy, guess what? Daddy, guess what? I threw the snowball at the window.
You did?
Even without mittens.
You try, bub.
I get to try. Or maybe I can get it up here.